Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best animal pelts is probably one of the most controversial yet fascinating materials used throughout history, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, durability, and cultural significance. Today, we will explore the world of animal pelts, examining their diverse applications, ethical considerations, and the importance of responsible sourcing to help you make informed decisions when considering this ancient material. Number 5. Rabbit Fur Hide Pelt. This beautiful rabbit fur hide is perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your next project. It's naturally tanned and ready for your creative touch. It's made from genuine rabbit fur, not faux fur. Feel the incredible softness and fluffiness of this high-quality pelt. Each hide is left in its natural color, so slight variations are possible. But rest assured, it will be similar to the one pictured. Measuring approximately 10 by 12 inches, it's the perfect size for various craft projects. It's professionally tanned for superior craftsmanship. Use it to line parkas, create hats and mittens, or make stuffed animals. Let your imagination run wild with this versatile material. Please note that minor imperfections such as cowlicks or small blemishes may be present. These can easily be removed with a gentle brushing. What we like. It's naturally tanned, keeping its original color and softness. If you appreciate natural materials and need a high-quality pelt for sewing projects, this is perfect for you. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller craft projects or detailed applications. What people say. Clean, neat, tanned and great color. Great quality, no smell. I put it on my center console of my truck. Covers nicely, keeps my arm from being burnt when I get in my truck in a 100-degree-plus weather, and protects the leather from skin oils. Number 4. Antelope Goat Hide Fur. Introducing real antelope goat hide, perfect for adding a touch of natural elegance to your projects. It's soft, supple, and ready for your creative touch. These hides boast beautiful, natural brown fur colors. Slight variations are normal, adding to their unique charm. Professionally tanned for superior quality, it's easy to craft and sew with. Expect the best quality for your creations. Each hide is unique, with an average size of 12 to 22 inches wide and 16 to 26 inches long. Some may vary slightly. While we strive for perfection, minor imperfections like small holes or irregular edges may occur. These are natural and don't affect usability. Unleash your creativity. Use it for clothing, stuffed animals, or as a liner for hats and mittens. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This one boasts a larger size compared to others, offering more material for your projects. If you're working on a larger project or need a substantial piece of fur, this is the best choice. Its softness and versatility make it suitable for various crafting needs. What people say. It was beautiful. This is gorgeous. Reading the description, I had anticipated that this would be a 16 by 20 piece. It's a full hide exactly as pictured but better. To give a better idea of the size, the pictures are across the width of a twin bed. This specific seller will sell you good real pelts. I know good fur and pelts and this is well done. I will buy more. Number 3. Rabbit Fur Pelts Craft Kit. This kit is perfect for your next crafting project. It includes 5 high-quality rabbit fur pelts, each with unique colors and patterns. You'll receive a mix of natural gray, brown, black, straw yellow, and at least one white pelt. Each one is unique and ready to use. While the pelts vary slightly, they average around 10 to 12 inches wide and 12 to 14 inches long. Perfect for a variety of projects. These professionally tanned rabbit pelts are supple and soft, making them easy to work with for sewing and crafting. Please note that some pelts may have minor blemishes like cowlicks or score marks. These are easily removed with a quick brush. Use them for clothing, stuffed animals, doll clothes, or as trim. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. Get a variety of colors in one pack, saving you time and money. If you need multiple pelts for different projects or want to experiment with colors, this bulk option is a great value. The soft texture is perfect for various crafting applications. What people say. Rabbit furs were very soft and beautiful. Some of them came in similar patterns but slightly different. I will be using them for decoration and making native stuff. These furs came packaged nicely and rolled up. I was happy with the quality and feel. There were no defects that I could see. These seem to be high-quality furs. They work great for making costume garments and accessories that can also be used for more practical functionality. Number 2. Red Fox Fur Pelt. Introducing our genuine Red Fox Fur Pelts, professionally tanned to last for years. These beautiful pelts are perfect for a variety of uses. It has undergone a professional tanning process, ensuring it's clean and preserved for years to come. The size is approximately 44 to 49 inches. This is a grade 1 pelt, featuring a full face and tail. You'll receive one piece in excellent condition. Use it as a wall hanging, for taxidermy, cabin decor, or give it as a unique gift. It's sure to impress. Sewing grade quality makes it ideal for coat liners, hats, mittens, doll clothes, or as decorative trim. Unleash your creativity. A slight smell or shedding is normal for real fur. Simply shake it and air it out for a few days to resolve this. Rest assured, it comes from farmed animals, not the wild. What we like. It's a large, striking red fox pelt, perfect for making a statement. If you're looking for a unique piece for wall decor, taxidermy, or a special crafting project, this is an excellent option. Its size and rich color make it a standout piece. What people say. It has soft, gorgeous silver and black fur with all 4 legs, no paws, tail, and full face, including ears, nose, and whiskers. I really enjoyed how soft the pelt was and how well tanned it was. Perfect addition to the man cave. Great quality and exactly as expected. Dimensions matched the description. Thick, soft and great conversation piece. Number 1. Spotted Rabbit Fur Pelt. This beautiful rabbit fur pelt is perfect for your next crafting project. Its natural spotted color adds unique charm and character to any creation. It's been professionally tanned, ensuring softness and ease of use. You'll love how supple and easy it is to work with. While the average size is 9 to 12 inches wide and 10 to 12 inches long, slight variations are natural. Embrace the unique beauty of this natural product. Keep in mind that it may have minor imperfections like cowlicks or score marks. These are common in natural furs and add to its unique character. Use it to line parkas, create hats, make stuffed animals, or add a touch of elegance to clothing. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This pelt features a beautiful natural spotted pattern. If you are looking for a unique and eye-catching rabbit fur for your project, this is a great choice. The soft texture and unique look make it perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your crafts. What people say. Beautifully tanned, very soft. I raise bottle baby kittens. From birth to about 3 months. They love it. I use these to cover the base of my lighted birch trees. I have 3 of them. I cut a line the radius of the belt and a small little circle for the trunk, essentially turning this into a Christmas tree skirt. It looks beautiful and I get compliments all the time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.